Hey guys, I'm getting ready to post this announcement, but I wanted to quickly go over it before you saw it. This announcement is asking you to take a course level assessment for me. It's kind of like a post test, trying to collect data from all of our MAT 121 classes to make sure that we're covering the material we're supposed to and make sure that you're learning the material like you're supposed to. So what I'm going to do is entice you to take this quiz by offering you some extra credit. It should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to take this quiz. It's a short 6-question quiz. One of the questions is over a previous course on slope. They're trying to see if you remember how to find the slope of something. The other questions are over content that we've covered in our class. So while you're studying for your midterm, you should be able to answer these questions. Make sure you do the best you can so I can see what you got and so I can give you your extra credit. But this quiz is not necessarily a graded quiz. It's not going to go in our grade book. It won't hurt your grade. It will only help your grade. So make sure you do the best you can. If you can make sure that you complete this quiz by October 23rd, that's next Friday, the day your midterm is due, I will give you extra credit for every problem that you get correct. Okay? So if you'll follow this link to get to the quiz, they're going to ask you to enter a 4-digit passcode. They're going to ask you to enter in our section number. Make sure that you put your first and your last name. This is how I'm going to find your quiz to give you your extra credit. Make sure that you read the directions, answer the 6 questions, and then make sure that you submit your quiz. If you can make sure that you do this before October 23rd, I'll give you extra credit for every question that you get correct. Thanks guys, I appreciate your time. Hopefully you're studying hard for your midterm. Let me know if you need anything.